Why do state court systems seem biased? Imagine walking into a courtroom and feeling like the odds are stacked against you before the case even begins. Many people wonder why some court decisions seem unfair or biased. The truth is, several factors shape how state court systems work and how they sometimes appear biased. First, a lot of bias comes from the people involved. Judges, prosecutors, and law enforcement officers are human and can have unconscious prejudices. These hidden biases can influence decisions from the moment someone is arrested to the final sentencing. Even judges who want to be fair might be affected by these unseen attitudes, especially when they are pressed for time or have limited information. Another reason is the lack of diversity among judges and court staff. Most judges tend to come from similar backgrounds, often with prosecutorial experience. This can lead to a perspective that favors the side of law enforcement and prosecution. When the people making decisions do not reflect the community's racial and ethnic makeup, it can affect how cases are viewed and judged. The process itself also plays a role. Police officers may be more likely to arrest individuals from certain racial or ethnic groups. Prosecutors might pursue harsher charges against these groups too. By the time a case reaches a judge, these early biases are already part of the story. Judges then base their decisions on information that might be influenced by these disparities. Judges have some control over their courtroom environment, but they also face heavy workloads and public scrutiny. These pressures can make it harder to recognize or correct biases in real time. While training programs are now focusing more on implicit bias and cultural awareness, changing ingrained habits takes time and effort. In the end, the perception and reality of bias in state court systems come from a mix of unconscious prejudices, lack of diversity, and the way the criminal justice process unfolds. These factors can lead to unequal treatment, especially for racial and ethnic minorities. Understanding these reasons helps us see why fairness in the courtroom is an ongoing challenge and why efforts to improve the system are so important.